welcome back to another lesson of it, just playing with the handpan and improving our skills. So improve our skills, improve many different ways. So what we're going to do, I want you to get your handpan out or your steel tongue drum. You can use this for them. We're going to use the shoulder. If you're using a steel tongue drum, use the middle note. So what I want you to do, you're going to ring out for the first one. So it's ring, right, left, hammer, hammer. So it goes. And that's as simple as it is, but we're going to spice it up as well. So I want you to, again, so your shoulder, ghost note, hammer, hammer. So it gets you using Thor's hammer involved into your music. Because a lot of handpan players, you do see a lot of the time you don't really see that hammer. The hammer's not really used. So this is just trying to incorporate it, mix it up, spice it up. Ring, ghost note, hammer, hammer. Ring, ghost note, hammer, hammer. So it's just a bit of fun, just to, again, learning, adapting. So eventually it will sound like that. Then what we can do, we can add on to a bit of spice then. We can change two Thor's hammers. So ring. See how the difference is? Just changing one Thor's hammer has made a difference already. So we're going to hit the ring, and then ghost note, hammer, slap. Back again. Ring, ghost note, hammer, slap. So it should sound, hopefully I get it right. And it's a build up of a groove. So again, ring, ghost note, hammer, slap. Ring, ghost note, hammer, slap. And you can change it the other way around if you want to. So then you can do ring, ghost note, slap, hammer. But to me, I prefer the other way. I think the other way just sounds a lot nicer. And just build it up from something simple as a hammer, and then eventually you could even build it up into a song. Could be creative, be yourself. So we could go ring, ghost note, hammer, slap. Also. You see how just simple, slow, it's just simple and slow, and it just makes it sound so damn good. So again, all you do, ring, ghost note, hammer, slap. But add that dramatic to it. Add that sort of like mini pause. So if you want to play, so if I was going to play it, and like, you know, because I play on stage and stuff, so I'd go. So it's just about spicing it up. Have some fun and explore around the pan. I love the harmonic in the middle. So yeah, you could even add a harmonic in. So you go. So you could even use the ding. So instead of using the ring, as I call it the shoulder, use the ding. Don't forget, you can bring it back, and then you can bring it back in, change it. It's just, it's so simple. I can't swear on this, but yeah, I love it because you can change it. Don't be afraid to change. So if you don't want to do the ring, do the ding. So have some fun. Again, this is just advice. This is just helping. I wish I had something as simple as this when I first learned. I tried to go into all the... And to me, I was just trying to do that, and obviously I was like, oh, I'm not fast enough, and because I got nerve problems in this one, this was really hard to train. But just make it simple. But yeah, I mucked it up then. So change, spice, have some fun. But if you enjoyed this lesson, just to give you a bit of a spark of inspiration, you don't even have to like hit a note. You can do that. But if it helps you on your journey, helps you on your path, just even if you don't do it. I've learnt loads of patterns, but I don't do often because they just don't feel right for me. But it's just to learn everything because it helps you on your music. Just helps you along the way. Knowledge is power. But yeah, so if you like it, thumbs up. Give us a shout out, love heart, and a thumbs up on YouTube. So I really do help. It really does help me out massively as well. But and I wish you a very beautiful, blessed day. And I'll see you again very soon.